Okay, here's how you're going to do this assignment. There's a couple parts to it. You got this GeoGebra file that should look like this, and then you're also going to have a PDF that looks like this, where you're going to record the vectors. You're going to write using vector notation, you're going to write the vector that you use to translate the puzzle piece into its spot in the puzzle here. So I'm going to show you what I mean by doing number one with you, and then showing you what I want for the worksheet, and then the rest is yours. Okay, so looking at number one here, this red piece, you can move it, but make sure, actually I don't think you can move it. Good. I don't want you to move it. Anyways, we want to figure out how to translate this rectangle to land into this spot here. We could do it over here too, either or, but I'm going to take this rectangle, I'm going to move it to this spot here. So what you have to look at are corresponding points, like say this bottom right corner of the rectangle corresponds to this bottom right corner of the rectangle. So I want to make a vector. So it's in my line toolbox here, vector between 2 points. I'm going to grab that tool. I'm going to click on the first point that's going to take my pre-image, say this bottom corner, and now it's GeoGebra just waiting for me to click on the next point, which is the corresponding point down here, right? So there's my vector, and now I can translate my rectangle. So I'm going to go to my transformation toolbox where the reflection tool is, and we can rotate, and here's our translate object by vector tool. So all that I'm going to do is click on my rectangle, and then I'm going to click on my vector, and it's going to translate. Oops, I want to make sure that I turn that feature off. I don't want those labels. Weird. I don't know why those labels came on. Anyways, we're going to, you'll probably have the labels too, but there is our piece translated. Right now I want to record, part of the assignment is to record the vector you use to translate this rectangle. So we write it by the horizontal and the vertical components, right? This point really translated 1, 2, 3 units to the right, 1, 2, and 3 units down. So on our assignment here, number one, I'm going to write my vector that looks like this. I'll use the vertical parentheses, and you can use this notation too. You could do also, you know what, actually, no, we're just going to do one vector. So anyways, horizontal component first, 3 units to the right, and then vertical components 3 units down. So there's number one. So your assignment then is to translate all the remaining pieces and fill out the puzzle and write your vectors that you use to translate the pieces. And then all you have to do is submit a screenshot to me of your puzzle put together, and then also attach your PDF so that I can correct your assignment. Good luck with that, guys.